Spreading salt around the house. Here's why it's so incredible. You can use salt for many different things such as cooking, cleaning, etc. You should also know that salt has been used for centuries for cleaning purposes in and around the house. Many people around the world use salt because it's completely safe to use. It's not toxic. Salt is extremely effective, inexpensive and simple to use. This means that you should definitely try these simple salt tricks. Just follow the simple instructions. 1. Keep ants at bay. You can use salt to keep the ants away from your home. So if you want to keep the ants away from your food storage cabinets or windows, then you should definitely try some salt. Here's what you need to do: just put some salt on the windowsills or any other surface they have attacked. Note, salt lowers the levels of humidity in the home when you use it this way. 2. Use salt for polishing brass, silver and copper. You should also know that you can use this simple ingredient to polish your silver, copper and brass. So if you have ornaments made from brass, copper and silver, you should definitely try some salt. It will help you keep them sparkly clean. They will look like brand new. Salt is the easiest and non-corrosive solution for this problem. Here's what you need to do: just make a paste with a mixture of salt and vinegar and rub the objects with it to make them shining after rinsing. The mixture of salt and vinegar dissolve any stains and dirt. 3. Salt for cleaning car and house windows. You can also use salt to clean your car or house windows. So if you want to clean your window and get rid of stubborn stains, you should mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt in a gallon of warm water. Use this mixture to rub and clean the stained windows. This simple method is effective and your windows will be clean for a long time. Note, you can use this mixture to clean your car windows as well. 4. Clean sink drains. How to clean sink drains? Here's what you need to do: just mix hot water with salt and pour the mixture in the sink. Salt will melt the grease buildup, which causes the clogged drain and deodorizes the sink. 5. Rejuvenate your skin. You can also use salt to rejuvenate your skin. Here's what you need to do: just combine salt and olive or lavender oil to make an amazing bath scrub. Then you need to use this mixture to rub the entire body and then shower to wash away the dirt. Salt is a good body scrub because it rejuvenates the skin by eliminating dead skin cells. 6. Make colors brighter. Did you know that you can use this simple ingredient to restore the original glare of your curtains or fiber rugs? Well, yes, salt can restore their color with just one wash. Here's what you need to do: just soak a cloth in concentrated salt water and rub the faded rugs and carpets with it. This way you will clean any spots and stains that are almost impossible to remove with conventional detergents. 7. Tooth remedies. You should try this salt remedy if you have a toothache and mouth sores. Here's what you need to do: just dissolve salt in warm water and swirl the liquid in your mouth. It is an amazing mouthwash and has laxative effects. 8. Whitening of your teeth and dental care. You should also know that you can whiten your teeth with a mixture of salt and baking soda. Note, you can use this mixture whenever you like. It will make your teeth white without any side effects. 9. Dry clothes in winter. You can use salt to prevent shrinking of your clothes. Here's what you need to do: just use some salt in the final wash. This method is extremely useful if you keep your clothes outside in the sun to dry. Also, your clothes will be soft and stainless. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.